I am beyond disappointed on Stanley's lawyer. The way I was rooting for Stanley, really wanted this man to win, okay? But unfortunately, it does seem like his lawyer is a scammer, and matched to Kubos, he is absolutely nothing. The poor guy tried to stand his ground and demand $1 million from Ukwezi, to compensate for Stanley's unfair dismissal. But Kubos was not having it, and Kubos went on and dig up some dirt on the lawyer and say, listen, the best shot that you have here is to accept that it's fine, Stanley will come back to work and he will get his full salary, but that is on that. Nothing more than that. And when he tried to protest against it, Stan was like, listen, have you forgotten that I know that you are a fraud? I'm like, no, he's a fraud. I mean, yes, he was not promising, but I saw potential. I saw potential, and not him fainting as well. Like, not him fainting. I'm like, Stanley, where did you get this dodgy guy? Like, why couldn't Stan get a good lawyer to represent him? Absolutely don't understand. I don't understand why the writers wanted Ukwezi to win once again. Absolutely annoying. Absolutely annoying and absolutely annoyance. But yeah, and at the end of the day, Stanley ended up signing a non-disclosure agreement to say that he will not tell anyone what happened in that room. Further on, Stan and his lawyer, they went to celebrate the victory. Yeah, that's why I said the victory, because what do you mean? What exactly did you win, Stanley's lawyer? Absolutely nothing. And whilst they are there, he ordered a very expensive champagne. And he's like, oh yeah, you should be grateful and let's celebrate that you are going back to work. And not only are you going back to work, you're also going to get your full salary. So therefore, now you're going to be able to pay me. And Stanley's like, okay, let's talk payment. How much do I owe you? And he goes like, you owe me 65,000. And this is when Stanley's like, how on earth am I supposed to pay you 65,000? Like, how on earth am I supposed to pay you 65,000? Stanley was like, you know what? Kupos was right about you. You are a scammer and I'm out of here. I really feel bad for Stanley. Really do.